家好，我是橘子。Hello, everyone. I'm Orange. 今天我们来探究电话是如何将我们的声音从这头传到那头的。Let's explore how telephones transmit our voices. 声音是通过空气中的声波传播的。Sound travels through air as sound waves. 当我们说话时，声带振动产生声波。Our vocal cords vibrate, creating sound waves. Sound waves. 声波 soundwaves. Vibration. 振动 vibration. 电话的麦克风将声波转换为电信号。The microphone converts sound to electrical signals. Microphone. 麦克风 microphone. Electrical signals. 电信号 electricalsignals. 这是让声音能在电话线上传输的关键。This is key for transmitting the voice over phone lines. 这些电信号通过电话线或无线网络传输到另一端。Signals are transmitted via phone lines or wireless networks. Transmission. 传输 transmission. 电话的另一端 on the phone's other end. 听筒将电信号再转换回声波。The receiver transmits electrical signals to sound waves. Receiver. 听筒 receiver. 让我们能听到对方的声音 allowing us to hear the other person's voice. 从亚历山大贝尔的旧式有线电话到今天的智能手机。From Bell's old wired phones to today's smartphones. 电话技术已经取得了巨大进步。Telephone technology has advanced tremendously. 下次当你用电话交谈时 So next time you talk on the phone. 想想这个小小的神奇盒子是如何让我们的声音穿越距离的。Think how this box lets our voices travel far.